Good morning, lovelies. I hope you all are enjoying your online classes. So, children, today we are going to revise the initial letter sounds. Yes, initial letter sounds means the first letter sound of an object. So, before moving ahead, let's have a quick recap of my sweet home and the rooms which we see in our home. We will have the initial sounds of the rooms that we see in our home. Do you identify which room? Yes, this is drawing room. It is the drawing room. The drawing room. This is bedroom. Bedroom. B, bedroom. Bedroom. This is the dining room. Yes. The dining room. The dining room. And this is kitchen. Yes, this is kitchen. Kitchen. And this is the bathroom. Yes. This is bathroom. So now, children, let's revise the things also which we see in these different rooms with the initial sounds. Yes. Do you identify what is this? Yes, this is television. T, television. T, television. T, television. Very good, children. Now, let's see. Yes, this is what? Yes, we see it in the bedroom. Yes, you are right. This is bed. 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 This is bed. Let's see, what is this? Yes, this is, you have also learned it with the A vowel words. Yes. This is mat. 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 So the first letter is, the initial sound is mat. Let's see. Yes, it's too hot outside. And what do we use to prevent us from the heat? Yes, this is cooler. This is cooler. This is, yes, this one is cooler. Cooler. Now let's see. Yes, it also prevents us from the heat. And this have also we learned from the A vowel words. Yes, this is fan. Yes, fan. So the first letter is F. Fan. Fan. Let's see, what is this? Yes, this is window. This is window of your home, sweet home. So this is window. Window. So the first letter is window. Let's see. Yes, you use it to wake up early in the morning. Yes, so this is clock. This one is clock. Clock. Let's see. Yes, this is the beautiful door. Yes, so this is door. So the first letter is door. So now, children, open your integrated activity book, page number 7. Now we will write down the initial sound of different objects and different things of our home. Children, I hope you all have taken out your integrated activity book, page number 7. So now these are the things which we see in our home. Now it is time to write down the initial letter sounds of these different things in the given boxes. But before that, we always write down today's date, which is 22. So write here 22 dot 6 dot 2121. This is today's date, and here on the right side top of the page we will write down C dot W, means classwork, because we are doing it in the class. So this is classwork. Okay, so now it is time to write down the first letter sound, the initial letter sound of these things. What is this? Yes, this is cooler. So the first letter K, cooler. So C, cooler. We will write C here. C, cooler. Good. And what is this? Yes, this is window. Window. W, window. So we will write W here in the given box. Very good. And what is this? Yes, this is your favorite television. So write here television, means we will write T, television. The first letter is T, television. T, television. And what is this? Yes, this is fan. This is fan. F for fan. So first letter is F for fan. For fan. And what is this? This is clock. So write here clock. C, clock. C, clock. And what is this? This is our bed. Bed. B, bed. So first letter sound is B, means B, bed. Yes. And what is this which we have already learned in the A vowel sounds? Yes, this is mat. 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 So we will write here mat. And what is the last thing here? This is door. Yes. So we will write here door. Door. So we will write here door. Door. Children, complete this page and send it to your teacher. Bye-bye.